Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps on how to see if someone read your text on Android. Before we dive into it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tech tutorials. Step 1. First, open the Google Messages app on your Android device. This is the default messaging app on many Android phones, and it's where you'll be able to access read receipts if they're available. Step 2. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile picture or icon. Tap on it to open up the menu. Step 3. In the menu that appears, select Message Settings from the options listed. This will bring you to all the settings related to messaging features. Step 4. Within the message settings, tap on the option labeled General. This is where you can find various messaging preferences. Step 5. Now tap on RCS Chats. This section is key because RCS, Rich Communication Services, allows for advanced messaging features, including read receipts. Step 6. Finally, toggle the switch to Enable Read Receipts. Once you've done this, if the person you're messaging also has this setting enabled, you'll be able to see when your messages have been delivered and read. This gives you a better idea of when someone has seen your message. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.